a Florida pet owner, they say their African gray parrot's latest obsession is Amazon's Alexa. But the parrot has actually been using Alexa to terrorize the house. Here's how that happened from WKMG TV. Take a listen.
Petra's owner knew that she was special when she started speaking at an earlier age than usual. Little did she know, she tells us, that she'd soon be controlling the whole house.
Careful.
Using Alexa.
Alexa, turn on all lights off.
What?
Okay.
Petra's owner says this is happening a lot.
Alexa,
Well, at first you're like half awake. You're like, was that a dream or did that just happen?
Alexa,
But then all day, every day, it's all lights on, all lights off.
Alexa,
And Petra's high-tech know-how has now made her an internet sensation.
hurry everything.
Petra's mom manages her YouTube channel where she has more than 12,000 subscribers. And it's here you can see her tell Alexa what to do.
Alexa, all lights on. Alexa, all lights on.
I like how soft-spoken she is. Alexa? Well, all she's doing is mimicking the
Alexa
her
voice,
owner.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so
Or
like
her
that's
owner.
exactly how that owner sounds.
Alexa, turn on
Alexa, all the lights off, please. Alexa, lights on. Alexa, all lights on. Alexa, play some music for me. And then the bird just is just.
Can you imagine you have a bird that sounds just like you?
That's crazy.
It's weird.
Oh yeah, no, like parrots are wild. I mean, birds are creepy to me. Like
Yeah.
they're terrifying to me. As a pet, it speaks.
Mm-hmm.
It says something. I don't know what it says. But it's weird. Like if you're not a pirate, you probably shouldn't have
need a
a
bird.
bird.
It's
Yeah.
definitely weird, but I think that if they talk, it's kind of
There's
cool.
some entertainment
Yeah.
to that right there, like
Just
something like that.
specific.
Yeah.
I would teach it all kinds
But
of
I mean,
stuff.
honestly, it just said a couple things, guys. I mean,
Yeah.
you're gonna live with it for 50 years.
That is a
okay?
long time for
That's
it to be
a
like.
You
long
know, for it to
time.
just go, Alexa.
Keeps turning the damn lights on and off,
Yeah.
too.
Yeah. All on.
Alexa, what day is tax day? Alexa, how long do you boil an egg?
What's the current temperature?
Someone said, Chuck, if you got a bird, it would probably end up sounding like Patty.
Oh,
Right?
it sure would. That bird, they'd know. I just bring the bird right to court.
Sir, why is the bird here?
Why don't you ask my bird? Shut up! Shut your fat mouth! You're an idiot.
Of the 300 phrases and words your bird.
Loser. I'm like, I can muzzle him now, or he can keep going.
Would you like to hear more?
I'm going to CrossFit.
Oh, no, that bird would be set free.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! All you do is sleep. All you do is sleep. Your job's not hard. Your job's not hard.
That's a horrible parrot. The 50 years of that was
Oh my
Yeah.
God. Yeah, 50 years of anything like that is kind of a nightmare.
But
when you
someone
think
said
about it.
you could flip it. This guy said my grandpa trained his bird to say, "Shut up, Nancy," to my grandma.
Oh, wow. Every time. Shut up, Patty. It would sound just like me, too. There'd be like
Oh,
no
that'd be
way
weird.
to like get away with it. You know? I'd have to like bring someone in and be like, okay, you need to train my
Train the
bird to
bird.
say shut up in your voice.
It would work. It would sound totally like you.
Yeah, it really would.